Hi everyone, my name is Sebastian and today I'm going to be showing you how to make screen recordings on iOS. So let's begin. First, you gotta click on settings and access to your settings. Next, you gotta search for control center. It's here, so I click it. And then you have to click on customize controls. Then you see a bunch of things you can customize, like they will appear here if you swipe up. So here you see screen recording, you can remove it, and if it's not here, you can just add it by clicking it over here. So here you go. And then if you want to make a screen recording, you just swipe up and you click this button. As simple as this. Okay, that's it for me. Bye everyone.